Right. I did start opening this until I realised what it was. It's like my knife. This is quite a weighty box, which is always a good sign. Proper Umarex markings. Oh yes, definitely a brand new looking gun. And the correct bits and bobs in there. My goodness, that's heavy. Ah, and it's also covered in bloody oil. Oh my god. A little bit slimy. Give it a quick polish. Lovely, that's better. Lovely feel, very heavy. HK markings on the injection port. Markings on the other side. Very chunky feeling. More oil everywhere. Hoping to God that doesn't mean the insides are complete and utter fucking mess. Ambidextrous release. Slide lock. Does feel pretty good, I must admit, although yeah, there's definitely a lot of oil, grease inside. That's maybe something you need to explain to me about, mate. I only use high quality BBs. Well, a bit fucked here then, aren't they? I don't think I own any high quality BBs. Give that a wee whiz. Oh god. I haven't got my bloody pistol filling attachment on this. Oh my god, it's got everywhere. Never mind. Right. That's safe, in theory. Yeah, good. It's in fire mode. Ooh, and the trigger comes up in fire mode. That's interesting. Holy shit. And the hammer stays back, which is fucking awesome. Should really put some goggles on. Is that really all the gas already? Mate, if this is how you play, then you deserve all the pain. That's pretty fucking sick. That's so powerful.